A blessed morning to our respected school administrators, Academy President Dr. Ronald P. Cabral, Sir, to our Academy Directress, Ma'am Natividad P. Cabral, Ma'am, to the Director for Administration and Finance, Sir Rolando P. Cabral, Sir, to our energetic Principal, Ma'am Vivian Lopez, Ma'am, to our Board of Directors, dedicated teachers, proud parents and guardians, friends and fellow graduates. It is with great honor and humility that I stand before you today to deliver this valedictory address. A moment I was dreamed of and will now cherish forever. First and foremost, I want to thank God for the love, guidance, strength, and knowledge He's blessed me with. To God be the glory. Today, we celebrate not just the medals, certificates, and accomplishments, but the years of hard work that we are capable of rising above challenges, of growing through uncertainty, and achieving something meaningful when we stay committed in our goals. Let's express our deepest gratitude to our dear teachers. Thank you for your tireless efforts, for believing in us when we doubted ourselves, for pushing us beyond our perceived limits. Your guidance has been instrumental in our journey. And to our families, your unwavering support and encouragement have meant the world to us. Your presence here today is a testament to your love and commitment. We're grateful for the sacrifices you've made for us, and we couldn't have done it without you. And to my fellow graduates, friends, my brothers and sisters in school, we've made it. We gain not only knowledge, but as well as friendship and memories to treasure. We grow, and most importantly, we never give up. Because this is not the end. It's the turning of a page, the beginning of a new chapter, where we take the lessons we've learned, the values and dreams nurtured, and bring them to life. The road ahead won't be always smooth, but I believe that we are ready. Not because we know all the answers, but because we know how to ask the right questions, how to adapt, and how to keep moving forward. As we bid goodbye to this chapter, let's embody the spirit of this moment, give more than we take, and build more than we destroy. To the class of 2024 to 2025, the future is calling. Let's rise and meet it with courage, resilience, and determination. Lastly, thank you to our alma mater for being a part of our journey. Once again, I am Jubray D. Posadas, your grade 6 valedictorian 2025. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you, Drew. To announce the list of